This video is sponsored by Cricut. Baseball and softball families are especially gonna love this project. I'm one of the team moms for our 11U baseball team, and I wanted to make this season extra special for our biggest fans, the families. So I decided to make some customized totes, along with a few special baseball themed accessories customized with the players' numbers for our families this year. The project includes tote bags customized with baseball laces and the players' numbers made with Cricut Infusible Ink, personalized water bottles in a similar motif using Cricut premium vinyl, and finally, customized car decals made with the player's number and a baseball using smart vinyl. I cut all of these projects using my Cricut Maker 3, and I also used my Easy Press 2. The first project I'm sharing are these customized tote bags made with Infusible Ink transfer sheets. If you're not familiar with the Infusible Ink process, it provides pro-quality custom designs that will truly last a lifetime. Unlike iron-on transfer or vinyl applications where the artwork is attached on top of a base material, an Infusible Ink heat transfer becomes one with the material. In addition to the cutting machine and Easy Press, for this project you'll need blank tote bags, a standard grip mat, weeding tools, Cricut Infusible Ink transfer sheets in cherry and black, cardstock, butcher paper, an Easy Press mat, and optional heat-resistant tape to help keep the designs in place. I've got all the projects in this video saved publicly to the Cricut design space, so check the links in the video description to get them. But to make it, I used the tote bag template in the free Cricut design space software along with a baseball graphic so I could add laces to the bag. I customized each bag with the player's number. Before handling the transfer sheets, make sure your hands are clean, dry, and free of any oils or lotions. Mirror your design and cut with your Cricut cutting machine. Use scissors to separate your design components and carefully weed the excess material, leaving your design on the clear liner. For heat application, I used Cricut butcher paper and my Cricut Easy Press 2. Cricut has a helpful heat guide on their website that will guide you through the exact settings and timing needed for each step of the process. Make sure your tote bag is clean and lint-free, then place it on top of the Easy Press mat and put a piece of cardstock inside the bag. Place a piece of butcher paper on top of the bag and preheat the material with your Easy Press per the instructions on the heat guide. Remove the paper and place the designs color side down in their positions on the tote bag. Cover with butcher paper and follow the heat guide instructions for your Easy Press. When cool, carefully remove the butcher paper and liner. Next up are these personalized water bottles. For this project, I'm using Cricut Premium Vinyl. It's ideal for outdoor signage and it's water resistant and UV resistant, so because of that, it's actually perfect for water bottles as well because it can stand the test of time and it can handle being washed. Along with your cutting machine and the permanent premium vinyl in black and tomato red, you'll need blank water bottles, a standard grip mat, weeding tools, and transfer tape. For this project, I used the same art motif that I used for the tote bag but resized them in the Cricut design space using a jar template as a guide. I cut them using my Cricut Maker 3. Using scissors, I cut the designs to separate them and then used my weeding tools to separate the negative material from the designs. I added transfer tape to the top of the designs and removed them from their backing before placing them onto the blank water bottles. Remove the transfer sheets and voila! Last but not least are these custom vinyl decals. For these, I used smart vinyl because it's easy to use and saves me that step of using a cutting mat. Cricut Smart Materials have been a game changer. But I don't just love the smart vinyl because it's easy, I also love it because it's weather resistant and strong and can handle the elements, so it's perfect to use on your vehicle. For this one, you'll need a cutting machine, smart vinyl, weeding tools, and transfer tape. I've got the design saved in the Cricut design space for you. See the link to the project in the description, but here's how I made it. I used a simple baseball image, then added the player's number in varsity font, positioning it over the baseball. I added a square shape so I could slice out that section of the baseball, then remove the parts of the ball that I didn't want. After placing the number back with the baseball, I selected everything and united them into a single image. I duplicated it to create a ball for each player's number, then cut them with my Maker 3. No mat needed since I'm using smart vinyl. Weed the excess material from the artwork, then add a square of transfer tape. I left the backing on this one so that families could remove it themselves when ready to place the decal. I'm so happy with how these came out and can't wait to give them to our families. Cricut helps you make for all the special moments in your life, from birthdays and ball games to weddings and anniversaries, with high quality materials so your projects will not only look fabulous, but last. You can get all the machines, tools, and supplies used for these projects on Cricut's online store. Be sure to check that out. Also check out the full detailed instructions for all 3 of these projects on fabeveryday.com today. And don't forget to subscribe to Fab Everyday's YouTube channel for more easy projects like this.